Welcome back to my channel. Speak with Neha. Today you guys are going to learn how to do addition. Adding things to things. The symbol of addition is plus. Example, my mom, I have 5 chocolates. My mama give me 4 more chocolates. So how many chocolates I have in my hand? 9. Usually, many kids do addition by drawing lines. But they feel very confused. So, I came up with this easy method. Please learn and practice. Let's do an example. 5 plus 7. So, 5 keeps in your mind and open 7 fingers after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12. So the answer is 12. See the problem of 5 plus 6. 5, keep it in your mind and open 6 fingers after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. So let's do now 4 plus 6. 4, keep it in your mind, open 6 fingers after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. 1, 0. So let's now do 3 plus 2. 3, keep it in your mind, open 2 fingers after 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So now let's do 7 plus 5. 7, keep it in your mind, open 5 fingers after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you guys learn to do addition easily. So please watch and learn. And please subscribe to my channel and hit on that like button and hit on that bell icon, or else you won't get my video notification. Bye bye. Bye bye.